Hi, I'm Nerissa and I'm the Melbourne Health Writer. I have recently completed Kate's Recipe for SEO Success course. Prior to the course, I found SEO very overwhelming. While I had a basic knowledge about keywords and how to write SEO content, there were a lot of things about SEO that I simply did not understand. However, since completing the course, I now feel very confident in managing my own SEO without needing to pay developers a high monthly fee for them to do it for me. The course is delivered in week-by-week modules with easy-to-understand trainings, video tutorials, notes, and weekly coaching calls. Kate delivers the content in a very easy-to-understand manner. She's very friendly, and there is no such thing as a silly question. If you are finding SEO overwhelming or you need to get a better handle on it, then I highly recommend you doing Kate's course. It's an investment well worth your time and money.